In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to film better videos. For tip number 1 is going to be lighting. You need to have proper lighting in order to make your videos seem a little bit more professional. For tip number 2 is going to be microphone quality. You need to have a good microphone in order for the viewers to hear you quite well. Tip number 3 is going to be camera quality. Now you don't need to buy an expensive camera, you can just simply use your iPhone. As long as you have proper lighting, it should look good. For tip number 4 is going to be editing. You at least need to know the basics of editing, like to add background music in order to keep your videos interesting. Tip number 5 is going to be keep it simple. Now this more applies to editing. You don't want to be adding a bunch of green screen effects and transitions because it just makes it seem like it's so unnecessary. Tip number 6 is going to be listening to your viewers. If your viewers comment some video ideas, don't ignore them. Listen to what they have to say and just give it a shot. Tip number 7 is going to be collab. Now I do know this is a hard one for many small YouTubers, but most people when they see a collaboration with another YouTuber, they find it quite interesting. Tip number 8 is going to be enunciate. You want to speak clearly and loud enough for your viewers to understand you. For tip number 9 is going to be location. You never want to be somewhere where it's loud and noisy because it can disrupt the video. Tip number 10 is going to be practice. You at least want to practice talking to the camera in order to build confidence so it makes it seem like you're talking to the viewer. For tip number 11 is having a small script. Now the reason for this is because you can't write down every single word you're going to say. So sometimes you just want to highlight the main and key points that you're going to mention in your video. For tip number 12 is don't give up. I can't tell you how many times I have messed up this video and I have to keep recording over and over again. Trust me, it will only get better from here. For tip number 13 is keep it interesting. You don't want to be rambling on for so long that it's just wasting your viewers' time. So you need to be filming the important things in your video. For tip number 14 is proper camera position. Now what I mean by this is that you don't want to be filming over here or over here. You at least want to be somewhere in the center of the frame. For tip number 15 is going to be confidence. When you have confidence, it makes it seem like you know what you're doing, and then it makes the video seem a little bit more professional. But if you don't have confidence, please click the video on your left because that will show 15 tips how to be more confident. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Those were all my tips for today. If you did find them useful, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, trust me, you can get over it, and you can just hit record. That's from Think Media, man.
Wait a minute!
You just gotta hit record. For tip number 12 is don't give up. I can't tell you. For tip number 15 is going to be confidence. You heard me. I'm not gonna explain why.